Hubei Yongrui Electronic Technology Group was established in 2012, owns one subsidiary of Hongkong Yongrui Enterprise International Company Limited, owns a wiring harness industrial park with an area of over 20,000 square meters. It is a manufacturing enterprise specializing in the design, development, production, sales and service of connecting wiring harnesses, internal wires and external wires. With years of production experience and technical strength, Yongrui has established various internal management systems. It has obtained ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification and ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System certification, IATF 16949 Automotive Industry Management System certification. Products are widely used in LCD TVs, automobiles, monitors, laptops, digital cameras, printers, audios, air conditioners, refrigerators, toys, medical equipment, and other industries. Products are exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Hong Kong, and the Taiwan regions. All products produced are in compliance with European environmental requirements Rules 2.0. No harmful substances are included. Provide you with a comprehensive guarantee of quality and safety. At the same time, we are constantly improving our sales services. Satisfying the needs of customers is our order. In recent years, the company has won the respect and the trust of customers with the business philosophy of management yields benefits, honesty guarantees wealth, and a quality policy of loyalty to customers, excellence, meeting requirements, and a technological innovation. Now, Hubei Yongrui Electronic Technology Company Limited has more than 10 well-known customers for its production and processing, including the global electrical appliance manufacturer Vestel Group. There is a high-tech enterprise Zhuhai Special Economic Zone Jinping Electric Company Limited, China's top 10 import and export companies working for industry Shenzhen Company Limited, listed companies Shenzhen Skyworth RGB Electronics Company Limited, and Guangdong Hisense Electronics Company Limited. All natural person listed company Jinluan Technology Company Limited, Guangdong Asana Technology Company Limited, which is working hard to go public, Severia Huizhou Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, an international group company, etc. At the same time, the company is fully committed to the development of the international market.